Today we're diving into Bear Notes, a note-taking app designed specifically for Mac users. It promises a beautiful interface and seamless organization, but does it really deliver? Let's see if it lives up to the hype or falls flat. Bear Notes is all about simplicity and elegance. The app offers a sleek, minimalistic design that makes jotting down thoughts feel effortless. You can easily create notes and organize them using tags, which is a standout feature for keeping everything tidy. The markdown support allows for formatting without the fuss, making it great for anyone who prefers a clean look without diving into complex menus. One thing I noticed right away is the seamless syncing across devices, so if you're switching between your Mac and iPhone, everything stays updated. However, while the user experience is generally smooth, some users might find the lack of a robust search feature a bit frustrating. If you have a ton of notes, finding a specific one can feel like a treasure hunt. Overall, Bear Notes is designed for those who appreciate aesthetics and straightforward functionality. But there are some areas that feel a bit lacking, especially for power users. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Bear Notes has that beautiful interface and smooth user experience that many will love. The markdown support is a nice touch too, making it easy to format notes without hassle. However, there are a few drawbacks. The search function isn't as powerful as some might expect, which could be a deal breaker if you rely on finding specific notes quickly. Additionally, while Bear Notes is free, the premium features come with a subscription, which might not sit well with everyone. This app might not be the best fit for those who need extensive organizational tools or advanced search capabilities. But if you're someone who values simplicity and aesthetics, Bear Notes could be a great match. In conclusion, Bear Notes is a solid choice for Mac users looking for a stylish and straightforward note-taking app. If you value design and ease of use over advanced features, give it a try. But if you need something more robust, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth checking